Hello and welcome to all. So today we are starting with a new topic, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. So everyone listen carefully first how to we can proceed the pair of linear equation in two variables. As we already discussed in the previous sessions that if what is an equation, any algebraic expression which equates to 0. As you know that any algebraic expression which equates to 0 is called as an equation. So how the linear equation can be proceed? Any equation which has degree 1, any algebraic expression which has degree 1 is called as a linear equation. Now for two variables we are discussing at any algebraic expression which has two variables. Variables are can be indicated in the form of alphabets. Okay, say x and y we have to take as an alphabets, or we have to take two variables any one. So for pair of linear equation in two variables, as only linear equation in two variable we are discussing the previous sessions, as what is the linear equation in two variables. So we said that linear equation two variable as ax plus ka by plus ka c equal to 0 is the linear equation in two variables where x and y are the variable one. Okay, now the chapter name is pair of linear equation, means this type of linear equation has two equations which are in the form of pairs. Okay, so that is the standard form of this equation. So we have to write it as standard form is a1x plus ka b1y plus ka c1 equals to kitna 0. Similarly a2x plus ka kitna b2y plus ka c2 equal to 0. That is the pair of linear equation in two variables. As understood now, pair of linear equation means linear equation के हमारे पास pairs होंगे किसमें, two variables में. Variables are x and y. Condition applied है a1 is not equal to 0. Similarly b1 is also not equal to 0. Similarly for a2 and b2 also. a2 is also not equal to 0. Similarly b2 is also not equal to 0. These are the condition which we have to apply in the given expression. Okay, if any constant is equal to 0, then that is converted into linear equation in one variable. Okay, so always remember a1 b1 a2 b2 never be equal to 0. That is called as pair of linear equation in two variables. Understood? What is an equation first? Any algebraic expression which equates to 0 is an equation, or we have to say that the standard form of equation in two variable as linear equation in two variable as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now for pair of linear equation in two variable we have to say that a1x plus ka b1y plus ka c1 equal to 0. Similarly a2x plus ka b2y plus ka c2 equal to 0. That is the pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, now here are some conditions, kuch recap things which we have to apply. Now firstly, how we can find the solutions of given expressions. Okay, how we can find the solution of given equation. The solution of given equation can be determined by the three methods. How we can find the solutions of pair of linear equations. So how we can find the solution of pair of linear equation? By first, the method is graphical method, that is the graphical method, and second one is for algebraic method. Second one is for algebraic method. These are the two methods in which we have to find the solution of pair of linear equations. Okay, graphical method has first one for if the graph has intersected lines, as this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and two lines are drawing like this and intersect at a single point. So we said that is called as an intersecting lines. Or another way we have to say that is as unique solution. And condition which we have to apply is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Where a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 comes, that is the given equations. a1x plus ka b1y plus ka c1 equal to 0. Similarly a2x plus ka kitna b2y plus ka c2 equal to 0. These are the two equations where the condition x coefficient is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 we have to apply. So we have to say that is an intersecting lines and that is unique solution. Or another one we have to say that another name is consistent. This is called as a consistent equations. Okay, understood my point? Similarly second one, B part has if x-axis and y-axis has only single point and both the given lines can be on can have all points on a single line, can all points on a single line, as if first equation is there and these points are this one, and second equation are there, these points are also on the same line of contact. So we said that is called as coincident line. इनको अपन कहते हैं क्या, coincident lines कहते हैं. और we said that infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solutions we have to say that, and that is also consistent. That name is also called as consistent equations we said. Okay. Similarly, third one, if the pair of linear equation has line on x-axis and y-axis are parallel to one another, means this line and another this lines, means both lines never meet to one another. So these are called as a parallel lines. We say that is a parallel lines, or we say that inconsistent, because we cannot find the solution of given equation. So we say that it is inconsistent and no solutions, okay. The condition of both of them, as this is as a condition a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, similar condition for this one is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. That is the condition of infinitely many solutions. Okay. Similarly, that as a condition a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. That is the condition of another one. What? For parallel lines or inconsistent or no solutions. Understood? The whole graphical method you are clear. Similarly, algebraic method is what? Where we have to find the solution by two methods. First one, that is A, called as substitution method. Substitution method. And second one we called as a elimination method. Second one we call as a eliminating method. Yeah, elimination method, both are the correct one. Or we say that elimination method. Okay. So we have to discuss these two methods by one. Okay. So firstly, we have to make it as a proper way as how we can find the substitution method. Here, if you take a simple example for substitution method, as the equation is x plus ka y equal to 4 is given and x minus ka y equal to 3 is given. Okay. So from first equation, we need to find the value of x or y, any variable. We need to find the value of x or we need to find the value of y. Any variable we need to find, that is 4 minus ka y. And that can be put, if we find the variable value from first, then put it in the second. Put in second as 4 minus ka y equal to 3. Put the value of x in second equation, not in first, put in second equation. So 4 minus ka 2y equal to 3 is there. So we have to say that 2y can be goes on right hand side and this can be goes on left hand side. 4 minus ka 3 is 1. So y we get the value y as 1 by 2. Y value as 1 by 2. So put it here, the value of y, that is 1 by 2 in any equation. Put in first we have to put. Okay. So if you put y as 1 by 2, then x plus ka kitna 1 by 2 equals to 4. So we get x equals to 4 minus ka 1 by 2. 4 minus ka 1, 4 to the 8, 8 minus ka 1 kitna 7 by 2. The value of x is 7 by 2. Understood? That is the way how we can find the solution of given equation by algebraic method as substitution one. Substitution method clear? When first variable we have to put the value of any variable, any one variable, not only x, we have to take the value of y also for that one. We have to take the value of x and put it in the equation number, another equation, that is equation number 2. That is called as what? Substitution method. Similarly, now we have to proceed for elimination method for the same question. Listen carefully what we have to do. In elimination method, you have to make first the coefficient of any one variable will be same. Coefficient of any one variable will be same, and then check the sign of same variables. Okay. Here, if the two equations are given and we need to apply the elimination method, how we can say that x has coefficient same 1 1 and y has coefficient also same 1 1, but they have opposite signs, so we simply add them for finding the value of x. Or we need to find the value of y, so subtract both of the equations. Okay, firstly we have to add both of them, then these can be eliminated. that is 2x equal to 7. We get directly x equal to 7 by 2. Now put x equal to 7 by 2 in any equation. Put x equal to 7 by 2 in first. So 7 by 2 plus ka y equal to what? 4. So we said that y equals to 4 minus ka 7 by 2. 8 minus ka 1, 7 matlab 1 by 2. That is the value of x and that is the value of y. Okay, understood my point? What I am saying, for elimination method, for substitution method, now we have to apply these two methods in the given questions. Okay, see, listen, first question is there. Solve the following linear equation and verify your answer. We need to verify your answer. Whatever method, we need to apply both the method in the given single question, elimination method as well as substitution method, and also verify them. Okay, so listen carefully first what we have to do. As first equation is 7x minus ka 2y equal to 5 and another equation is 8x plus ka 7y equal to 50. Make one variable coefficient same. One variable means if we need to find variable x will be same or variable y will be same. If we need to same variable x will be same, then interchange the coefficient. This equation can be multiplied by this coefficient, that is 8, and this equation can be multiplied by this coefficient, that is 7, to make x coefficient same. Okay, 7 8 जा 56, 56x, 8 2 जा कितना 16y, 5 8 जा कितना 40. Similarly 7 8 जा कितना 56x, 7 7 जा कितना 49y equals to 5 7 5 जा 35 and that is 105. Now as both x coefficient will be same but sign will be also the same, so we have to just subtract both the equations so that x variable will be eliminated from this one. As 9 plus ka 6 is 15, 5 and then 6 65, that is minus ka 65, and here if 105 minus ka 40 we have to do, then what? 5 10 minus ka 4 is 65 again, so we get again minus ka 65. So y has a value 65 upon 65, that is value 1 we get. So we said that y equals to 1 will be the expression. Similarly put y equal to 1 in, put y equal to 1 in equation number 1. Say we said that is equation number 1. So 7x minus ka कितना 2 into 1 equal to 5 will be there. So 7x equals to 5 plus ka 2, that is 7. So we said that 7 by 7 x equal to 1 will be the answer. Okay, so we get the solution x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 are the solution of the given expression. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Is there any doubt? Nahin na? Clear? Okay, I think it is clear. Now we have to move to the next one. Next is that can be applied by elimination method. We have to solve it by what? Elimination method. Okay, now substitution method. What? Substitution method we have to apply. What the substitution method says? Listen carefully. As equation is 7x minus ka 2y, so we find the value of x is here 7x equals to 2y plus of 5. So we say that x equals to 2y plus of 5 upon में 7, that can be finding by equation number 1. Now this value of x can be put in equation number 2. Put value of x in second. So we said that 8, the value of x is 2y plus of 5 upon में कितना 7 plus का कितना 7y equal to 15 will be there, right? 8 2 जा 16y, 5 8 जा कितना 40, 7 7 जा कितना 49y, and then 7 can be multiplied with 15, 7 5 जा 35, 7 105. Okay, 9 और 6 कितना 15, 15 2, 4 plus का 2 कितना 6 65y. Understood now? And that 105 minus of 40. Okay, that 5 and then 6 65. So y equals to 65 upon 65, we get the value of 1. Okay, put that y value in, that we have to set it equation number 3. Put in third. So we said it x equals to 2 into 1 plus of 5 by kitna 7. 7 by 7, that is 1. X be 1 and y be 1, we get the same value. So that is the algebraic method which we have to discuss by both the methods, elimination method and substitution method. Answer you have to check that both has the same values. X equal to 1, y equal to 1 are the same. Now if we need to verify them, how we can verify it? Listen carefully. For simply verification, we have to say that put value of x equals to 1 and y equal to 1 x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, 7 into 1, put it in any equation. Minus का 2 into 1 equal to, say 7 minus का 2. 7 minus 2 is 5, that is called RHS. So we say that it is verified. Similarly, put in second, 8 into 1 plus का 7 into 1, that is, we have to take LHS. Understood now what I am saying? We have to take both the equation, and if LHS equals to RHS, for putting the value of x and y, we say that it is verified. 8 plus ka 7, that is what, 15, that is equals to what, RHS. So we say that what, therefore verified. Okay, understood my point, what I am saying? That is the simple way how we can proceed the questions in a direct way. Okay, now we are moving to the next one. Solve the following system of equation algebraically. Algebraically, okay, using algebraically 2x plus ka 5 equal to minus ka over 4x minus. Now you have to apply any method. Whatever you have to need substitution, whatever you have to get elimination. So firstly you have to write 2x plus ka 5y equal to minus ka 4. Similarly 4x minus ka 3y equal to 5 you have to take. Okay. Now here we have to say that x coefficient as 2 and here x coefficient as 4. So simply you have to just multiply it by 2. So 2 2 is kitna 4x, 5 2 is kitna 10y, 4 2 is kitna 8. As both x coefficient are same and sign will be same also, so we have to just subtract both of the equations. Okay. So 4x should be cut with this 4x, minus 3 minus 10 minus ka kitna 13y, and that is 8 और 4 12 13, 13 is there. So y will be equals to minus of 1, so we get y equal to minus 1. Put that in equation number, say this is first equation and this is second equation. Put in first or put in second, whatever you want. So 2x plus ka 5 into minus ka 1 equal to what, minus ka 4. So 2x equals to minus ka 4 plus ka kitna 5. That minus 5 can be goes this side. So 1. So x will be equals to 1 by 2. So x is getting 1 by 2 and y is getting minus ka 1. Understood my point? Is it clear or not first? Okay, done. Done. So whatever method you have to apply, elimination method, you have to apply substitution method, whatever question says, or if question not says, you have to apply any method. Okay. Now for this equation, what the question says, the value of k for which the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. What is the condition of infinitely many solution? That a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. Okay. So a1 is x coefficient, that is what, 3, a2 has 6, that is 6, b1 has minus ka 1 and b2 has minus of k. Similarly c1 has 8 and c2 has value, that is 10. Okay. Okay. So now equate, minus minus will be cancelled. Any equation you have to equate. 3 2 is kitna 6. So value of k is 2. Or if we equate this one, then k is value 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. That is 4 by 5. But in option we get value 2, so we have to opt 2 only. Okay. Understood? If both the values are given in the option, then we have to say that D option will be both A and B. So we have to take both A and B also. Okay. Now use graphical method, solve the following system of equation. Now we have to make the graph of that expressions. How we can make the graph of that expression? Firstly, from first equation we make the value of y as separate, minus ka 3x minus ka 4. Similarly for second one, again we have to separate y, that is 3x plus of 2. Okay, that y can be goes on right hand side. Now for making a table, we have to make x and y. We have to make x and y for that one also. Simpler. Whatever be the value you have to put for x, we get value of y. If we put x as 0, 3 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 4 is minus ka 4. As 1 we have to put, or minus 1 we have to put. If we put minus 1, x equal to minus 1. So plus 3 minus ka 4, that is again minus ka 1. Two equations, that is sufficient. 2 points, that is sufficient for finding the value of x and y. Okay. Similarly, for x equal to 0, we get value of y equal to 2. For x equal to 1 or minus 1. For x equal to minus 1, minus 3 plus ka 2, that is minus ka 1 again. Okay. Now we just has to plot both as what, x and y, that is x axis. and that is y-axis, that is minus of y, that is minus of x will be there. Okay, firstly 0 comma minus 4, x की value 0 and y की value minus 4, minus 1 minus का 2 minus का 3 and that is minus का 4, 0 comma minus का 4 is there. Okay, minus 1 comma minus 1, x की value minus 1, y की value minus 1 is here. So we have to say that that is the line, straight line, that is a straight line. Okay, as my hands will be tilted somewhat, so it is somewhat tilted, but it is a straight line. You have to make it by a scale only. 0 comma 2, x की value 0 and y की value 2. So here is the point for the straight line 0 comma 2, and again minus 1 comma minus का 1 are the point, that is minus का 1, 0 comma 2. As these both are intersected on one point, so we said that the solution is x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 1 are the solutions. Are the solutions. Why are the solutions? Because they intersect at a single point, and that single point shows a what? Solutions. That is called graphical method. Understood my point? What I am saying? As we have discussed each and everything in a proper way, you have to just focus on that one, and definitely you do all the questions. One more question we have to do, that is case study type of thing. As a bookstore shopkeeper gives book on a rent for reading. He has a variety of books in his store related to fictions, stories and quizzes. Okay, he take a fixed charge for the first 2 days. As first 2 days as a fixed charge means for first 2 days it is free, and an additional charge for the subsequent days, the later days as extra charges. Amruta, that is a girl, that paid 22 for a book. Amruta paid 22 for a book and kept for 6 days. Now she can kept for 6 days a book. Now we have to say that first 2 days will be free. Let we consider, let fixed charge be what? Rupees x, and charge per day, and charge per day is rupees y. So we say that fixed charge will be for 2 days and charge per day is rupees y. So 2 days is free. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. So we say that 4y equal to, because she can put or he can put for 6 days. For fixed charge is fixed for 2 days now, means 2 days is the free, and subsequent days is 6 minus 2 is 4. X plus का 2y equal to 4y equal to 22 equals to 0 is the first equation. Understood my point? Now Radhika paid 16 for the book for 4 days. Radhika paid rupees 16 for how many days? 4 days. First 2 days are the fixed and rest 2 days are 2y. So x plus का 2y equal to 16, that is the equation number 2. Understood? Assume fixed charge is like, question also says we not need to let, question says fixed charge is rupees x and additional charge for rupees y. Based on information, answer any 4 of the following, or you have to apply for. The situation of the amount paid by Radhika is algebraically Radhika, that is the equation for Radhika, and that is the equation for Amruta. X plus का 2y equal to 16, whatever equation, that is D part is the correct one. The situation of the amount paid by Amruta in algebraically, that is x plus का 4y equal to 22, that is the again C option is the correct one. Okay, what are the fixed charge for a book? Now we need to solve these two equations for getting the fixed charge. That we have to just subtract, because the coefficient of x will be same, so x will be cut. 4y plus 2y 2y, and 22 minus 6 is 6 और 6 12, so y will be getting 3. Y will be getting 3. Y for charge per day, additional charge. What are the additional charge for each? That is the answer for that is the answer for question number 4, that is rupees 3. Now if we put y equal to 3 in any equation, put y equal to 3, put y equal to 3 in equation number 1. So x plus का 4 3s are 12 equal to 22. So x equal to what? 22 minus का 12, that is what? 10. So x will be 10. So rupees 10 will be the answer. Okay. What is the total amount paid by both? दोनों ने कितना पे किया? If both of them have to keep for 2 more days, if we take 2 more extra days, then how much amount? So whatever be the given, as 6 days, sorry, first 2 days are free, so first 2 days are free, so x plus ka how many days, 2 more days, 2 more days means 2 multiplied by y, so x will be 10 and 2 multiplied by y will be 3, so 10 plus ka 6, 10 6 oh, what is the total amount paid by both दोनों ने, तो फर्स्ट फॉर 16 अमृता ने कितने दिन रखा था, 2 और दिन, सॉरी वी हैव टू मेक एज अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन ओनली, नॉट डू लाइक दिस, वेट फॉर ए वाइल. Amruta paid Amruta cab for book for 6 days. 2 more extra days, if 2 more extra days then x plus का 2 more, तो 4y 4 6y हो जाएगा, है ना. So Amruta has paid, x is 10 and 6 3 का कितना 18, Amruta 28 and Radhika x plus का 2 more days means 2 already taken and 2 more means 2x plus का 4y, x has 10 and 4 into y has value that is 3, so 10 plus 4 to 12 that is 22, so 28 total is 28 plus का कितना 20 that is 48, so 28 and then 22, 48 days, there is no answer, we have to take it as 48. Okay, 2 more extra days now, तो 4y हो गया, right? Okay, done. Is it clear? So these are the questions, you have to solve it in a proper way and then send me. If any doubts, then we have to discuss on later class. Okay, bye bye.